Understanding your buckets and on your dashboard. So the dashboard that you have open would be the dashboard for the organization that you're logged in with. So this organization, which is GSD Declarant 1, has zero drafts, meaning that they have zero draft applications for all e-services. So that includes any e-service on TTBizLink that they would have started an application process and did not submit, including PNL, certificate of origin, work permit. All draft applications can be found here. The other bucket is a queried bucket. This has any application or declaration that would have been queried by the agency. So if you are trying to respond to a queried application, you can look for your application here. The payment bucket under the payment card has all applications or declarations that require a payment to be made for the application to continue processing. So you would find applications that are pending payments for PNL services, for certificate of origin services, for work permit. You would find declarations that are pending fee, and you would find both declarations and applications that are payment queried. That means that you would have submitted an offline payment to the agency, but the agency has a query on that payment. Prepayment applications is a new application type that we have on TTBizLink, and these are applications that would be submitted to the agency for prepayment for a service. So instead of making individual payments for each application or declaration, you can make a lump sum payment, and that will first have to go to the agency to approve, and then you can start to use your drawdown payment mode on your applications. Organization task includes applications that are pending an action by the organization. So that would include queried applications, draft applications, pending submission applications. And this pending submission bucket would be applicable to applications like permits and licenses and certificates of origin, where the application would have been completed up until a point where the submitter is required to either sign and check off the terms and conditions to um, s- submit the application to the agency. The notification bucket gives a overview of all the emails that should have been sent to the users under the organization, depending on what was input into the notification section for the application. They would have the status whether it was sent or whether it was error, but it just gives you an overview of when the email was sent and for what application type. Submitted includes any application or declaration that is pending an action by the agency, and therefore you are not required to act on the application. So this would include submitted applications, processed applications, pending decision, inspection required, referred offline, and submitted payments.